Choosing a solar panel can be a bit like trying to choose a car. You want something reliable, you want something efficient, you want something long-lasting, and come to find out, Hyundai is not just another name on the road. Hyundai is making high-end Tier 1 solar panels. This one I'm holding is a Hyundai 410, sleek black frame, beautiful. Behind it is the new 585. A Tier 1 panel like this has got a standard 25-year warranty. It's 25 years at least, and you're gonna have baseballs hit your panels, or you're gonna have golf ball size hail hit your panels. You know, something's going to make impact with your solar panels at some point in the life of its deployment. Most panel manufacturers are gonna get their glass from the same place. It's the same 2mm thick safety glass that everybody uses. The Hyundai panels, the glass on the front is 3.2 millimeters thick. 3.2 is considerably thicker than 2. That's where it gets its 5,400 Pascal weight rating. What does that mean in English? It just means that it's designed to withstand larger hail, heavier winds, heavier snows. It's just a step up from your average solar panel. So your hail impact protection, your winds that can be sustained are all going to be significantly higher with a panel that's got a thicker glass. What makes Hyundai different than a lot of the competitors is their vertical integration. Vertical integration means that Hyundai is in control of all the processes of manufacturing their solar panels. A huge company with vertical integration like that, you can depend on them to be around for the long haul. Hyundai panels operate at the high end of the efficiency spectrum when it comes to solar panels. If you look around, all panels operate somewhere between 18 and 22%. So with a panel like Hyundai, you know you're operating on the higher end of the efficiency spectrum, and that means that you get more power out of the same square footage. You can get accomplished with 40 panels what it would take 44 panels of another manufacturer. You know, fewer panels, less racking, you know, higher efficiency is better. I hope you found this video useful. At Gigawatt, we only offer Tier 1 solar panels, and we're really excited to be partnered up with Hyundai to be able to bring you some of their flagship products like the Hyundai 410, a panel that's built to last and to withstand the elements. That's reliability that you can count on, and it's like having peace of mind installed on your roof. I like that.